Before we do our second demo, in which I'll quickly do some table space creation and management, remember we talked about initialization parameters earlier in the course. We use alter system from SQL Plus in a command line environment to alter init parameters, and there's the scope clause where we can make a change just in memory, in the SP file for the next database restart, or both. Well, new in 12c, this is a new feature, we have the container clause that is important now that we're getting our sea legs, as it were, with CDBs and PDBs. Depending upon where you run alter system set, you can have that parameter change hit only the container, only the current object, or all objects. So if we altered a system parameter in the root and set it to container equals all, then it's going to affect all PDBs. You might be wondering, well, what initialization parameters can and can't I change from a pluggable database? I'm glad you asked. Again, you just want to turn to Data Dictionary for that, a dynamic performance view called $system parameter, and you can run that query to come back with parameters that you can change within a PDB and that would affect only that PDB.